Juicing for fat loss. Juicing is a great way to get the nutrients your body needs and lose weight at the same time. It's an easy way to make sure that you're getting a balance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for optimal health. Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss juicing for fat loss. Why juice for fat loss? Juice can help you reach your weight loss goals. A juice cleanse is a natural way to remove toxins, increase energy levels, reduce inflammation in the body, and boost immunity all at once. Juicing evens out blood sugar, giving you a steady flow of energy and curbing cravings for sugary snacks. Here are some guilt-free, fat-burning juices. Carrot juice. Carrot juice can aid the liver in producing bile, which breaks down fat and helps weight loss. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is great for your skin and can also help you lose weight. If you don't like the taste of pomegranate juice on its own, try adding it to juice made from berries, apple, kale, cucumber, or pineapple. Cellulite smoothing juice. When losing weight, you want to burn fat, but also get rid of cellulite. Exercise is one of the most effective ways of doing this, but juices can play a part. Juice 2 grapefruits and a large bunch of kale to keep skin clear, 2 oranges and a piece of root ginger to boost blood flow, and 10 sticks of celery and 1 lemon to get rid of excess fluid, which eliminates toxins held below the skin. Green juice. Spinach and kale juice are great for relieving stomach problems like bloating and indigestion, clearing up your digestive tract, and getting rid of waste so it aids in weight loss. Watermelon juice. Watermelons are very low in calories with a high water content, so it makes a perfect weight loss juice. They are also rich in arginine, which can help to burn fat. You can have watermelon juice on its own or add it to other vegetable juices. Fruit juice. Fruit juices are high in sugar, which can make them high in calories. This can lead to diabetes, but also excess energy will be stored as fat in the body. This is not what you want when trying to lose weight. So that just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.